Hi friends, I'm Sital Khimani, a stock trader by mistake. Till last year, I was not knowing anything about the stocks. One day, one of my friends persuaded me to do the Vishal sir's course. I joined, but initially I ignored it, that what I will do. But within a few days, I realized no, this is the field where I can really enjoy and work. So I started doing some research here and there on a Google and did some losses also on the market. But one fine day sitting, I realized that here is a Vishal sir who's willing to handhold me and take to the other side of a river and where I can succeed like anything. So I became very serious to doing it. In meantime, I fell sick also. But during that period also, I kept on doing my back testings and found the results were very, very satisfactory. So while I was in the meantime, even one of my accounting partner suggested Vishalji to put me to the conscious group, which he did. And in that course, I really realized that the confidence of taking the stock is much more. But I was not very sure about the system. So while I was in hospital, my accountability partner and my friend Kunal came to hospital, and where he really taught me in depth the manual intervention system. And after that, I really became very, very confident in taking the trades. So now I did the back testing for nearly around 1,000 trades, which gave me a lot of confidence. After that, now every day I do homework. Without that, I don't sleep. And really speaking, I don't get sleep if I don't complete my homework, which gives me a lot of confidence for the next day taking the trades, which I am now able to confidently take the trades. This is all nothing but the mentorship, the hard work and the dedication of Vishalji to give me a confidence and to do the trades, and all credit goes to Vishalji. Thank you.